So guys, for the first method, you want to try unplugging and plugging back in your video cable, whether that be a HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort, or any other cable that you're using. Make sure that it's properly plugged in. And if you have a spare cable, try using that instead. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in change screensaver. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have your screensaver set to none. Make sure you have it on none and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the third method, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have both turn off the display and put the computer to sleep, both on never. Make sure that they're both on never. Now you want to click on change advanced power settings. And then once this comes up, you want to expand PCI Express. Now we're going to expand link state power management. Make sure that you have this setting right here on off. Make sure you have the setting on off and then click on OK. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And then once you're on our software, you want to click on the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. If you have an update that you need to do, it's going to tell you. You can then download it and install it. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once you complete that scan, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully the problem will now be fixed.